Hi, I'm that guy, your tour guide for the Unraveling the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Secrets YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you 4 key items about grid views in the modern Dynamics interface that'll help you navigate the system better. When you complete this video, you're going to be able to do the following. Number 1, create a custom view for yourself. Number 2, filter the view with only the information that's important to you. Number 3, hide the views you don't want to see anymore. And number 4, share your view with someone else. It's that easy. Let's get started. One of the common problems that people have when navigating in Dynamics 365 is that they don't necessarily understand how and what to do with views. I'll start off by saying that the views control what's on the grid. So the grid is like a list. Think of it as a list. When we come in here, we have a series of views in Dynamics 365 that are all system views. What Microsoft's done in the new modern interface is given you the ability to modify these views and use them as your own. So we're going to start off with a couple really basic things. So I'm going to go to Open Leads, and we're going to edit the columns. We have 2 choices. We can edit the columns. That means we can put new column headers in the view, and we can edit the filters. So let's start off by editing the columns. So I'm going to ask the system to put in for me. I'm going to add a column, and I'm going to add the city. Okay. I'd also like to add, and you can type in the search box here, I'm going to add job title. Okay, and let's add email address. Okay, so we've added 3, and we're closed. Now they appear in the list. We can move them around as we see fit. So I'm going to move up the job title beside the name. I'm going to move the owner down. I'm going to move up the city. I'm going to get rid of topic. And I'm going to move status reason down as well and move just email up just by job title. Go ahead and hit apply, and now I have the columns that I wanted in the view. I can further, at this point, I can edit the filters if you wanted to. Let's say you wanted to just see in the view, you just wanted to see people from New York. So you can come to here. So first of all, the status equals open. So we're looking at open leads, and we're going to add a row. We're going to select city, where the city, and we're going to say begins with. So our choices are equals, does not equal, contains. We're going to say begins with. We're just going to type in new for New York. Hit apply. Now we have a view with 29 records at the bottom of the page here that has New York in it. Now, you'll notice up here beside the view, I have a star beside that now. So I want to go ahead and I want to save this as a new view for myself. So come to the bottom of the views, and you'll see save as a new view, and you can give it a name, open leads, and we're just going to say New York. Okay. Hit save. I've just created a new view for myself that's going to be available at the top of my views, and it'll have a little person icon on it, and this will be my view. Now, that's part 1. So that solves the problem of us creating our own personal view. I'm going to come down now, and I can set this as my default view. I can also click on Manage and Share Views. So one of the other problems that people have is that the views that they're looking at, they may have too many views or not enough. I'm going to come into Manage Share Views. You can see I've got a bunch hidden already. If I unclick these, they'll come back. I might want to get rid of them or get rid of the one in the current fiscal year. Get rid of all leads for now, and just have ones that are pretty basic. My open leads and open leads. and my personal leads. I'm even just going to hide closed leads for now. Hit apply. Just for the purpose of demonstrations, I come in here and I only have 3 items in my view. Now, the last part of this video that we're going to talk about is managing and sharing views. So you go ahead and click on the Manage and Share Views, and we can come in here and we can say, I just created this views. I want to share this view with a group or a team. So come to the ellipse, the 3 dots, we call that the ellipse. You can come in here and you can come down to the word share, and you can share this with another member. So we're going to share this with, well, either with another member or a team. So we may want to share this with a team or a user. So I'm going to share it with a team, and we're just going to share it with the default team. So it could be the sales team. It could be whatever you want it to be. Go ahead and select it, and we're going to say we're going to give them read, write, append, append to, and share access for that particular view. They won't be able to delete the view, but they can read it. They can write to it, so they can add to it and append it, and they could share it. So we're going to go ahead and hit share. And we've gone ahead and shared this with other team members. So just to summarize, views allow us to control what we see on the screen in our grids. Very useful when you're going to export to Excel and items like that. If you want to export out certain fields for maybe another application, or you're building a spreadsheet, you can build these views, and you'll see I built a personal view with the city of New York, so I might want to export this out. I was able to modify the column headers so that it's just what I want to see. I was able to take it and I can set it as my default, and I was able to share and manage those views. And I was able to hide the system views that I didn't need to see. It's really that simple. If you've liked this video, if you've received any value from this video, please, down below beside the description box is the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Also, give it a like. It helps. It goes a long way to help me create content for you. You can also add your comments to the comments box for any upcoming videos you'd like to see, or just some general feedback on the video. Have a great day.